Now, the importance of a workshop like this is to collaborate with different countries within Southern Africa, to take hands and to unite as a force to implement physical education and to emphasize the importance of physical education in Africa.
Well, this conference here in Cape Town is about three things. It is about information, collaboration and dissemination. Information means that we want to inform people about our project, which is called KaziBantu and which takes place here in South Africa. This project has grown over the last years and it is good to inform people about what we are doing.
The KaziBantu Project focuses its work on schools situated in poor, impoverished areas where the health and well-being of children can be compromised. These areas also have limited resources for the teaching of physical education and the promotion of physical activity and health in general.
When we were young, there was what we call physical training in the schools. It was mainly in the primary schools, not in the secondary schools. And those sessions were usually in the mornings. You come in the morning and then you go for physical training. It was mostly just exercises like jumping jacks, drill and some games. Later, physical education was introduced in the schools. Like there was actually a syllabus now that should be followed by the schools.
In our more rural schools, there won't be the resources or the trained officials or the support to teach physical education. So it's quite a mixed variety from where it does happen to where it doesn't happen. And to a great extent, in a lot of the Eastern Cape schools, there is no proper movement education happening in the timetable or in terms of the teaching, learning and assessment thereof. The type of activity required is not highly technical sports skills. So any person would be able to utilize the content from the lesson plans as well as the cue cards to do it with minimal preparation time.
In Mauritius, the new curriculum framework has made space for what we call holistic education. That includes physical education and other subjects like music and dance, arts and others. And KaziKidz will be of great help in bringing that program and helping the Mauritian teachers to teach physical education in a better way. With KaziKidz, we are hoping that probably we'll have enough material so that they can get enough to teach, and more so, we don't have the teaching material as such. We are starting to develop, but we haven't developed that. And KaziKidz, I believe KaziKidz will be of great help in doing that.
So my role at the workshop is to explain the digital solutions that we've integrated into the KaziBantu project. There are two different solutions. The web-based solution helps the biokineticists or then the research team capture the full health assessment of the teacher, which then creates a risk profile for the teacher. Once that has been generated, it is exported from that to the mobile app, KaziHealth, which allows the teacher to self-monitor and manage their own personal health.